Hi guys, wait a second. I want to take off my watch. Because I figure, oh, working out with the watch on. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. In this video, I have prepared the arm styling dance workout. So without further ado, let's get to it.
All my life been chasing something, and you kept running, chase me down and catch me falling. I'm grateful, darling, 'cause when you come around, keep holding me down, keep holding me down. I'm holding on to that smile. All my life been chasing something, and you kept running, chase me down and catch me falling, and catch me falling. Take off from the nail line for they lap around. Drop everything and catch me before gravity do. Been through so much we don't gotta make a sound. One look we know what the color will. Keep holding me down. I float away but you grounded me through in separate towns. And somehow you catch up to me now. Been chasing something, and you kept running, chase me down and catch me falling. I'm grateful, darling, 'cause when you come around, keep holding me down, keep holding me down. I'm holding on to that smile. All my life been chasing something, and you kept running, chase me down and catch me falling, catch me falling.
So relax, enjoy, remember that life goes really fast, that you can make your life based on your thoughts and your emotions. You can create the results of it. So just enjoy the moment, be happy, and a big kiss to all of you. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. Yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I put a dress on today, I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. Yeah. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song.
Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you guys had a wonderful time trying out 5 different styles of arm stylings for dance. If you like our videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our future workout videos. I look forward to seeing you guys next week with another dance. Bye!
I'm good. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with